for beating the Adamson Soaring Falcons 69-57. The Fighting Maroons are unbeaten in 5 games. We have Coach Goldwin Monteverde, Terence Partea, and Quentin Meloria Brown. Coach Goldwin, congratulations for this victory. Pero humabol muna kayo from a 22-point deficit in the first half and then nakabawi kayo nung second half and led by as much as 16 points. So, anong sinabi mo sa mga boys nung halftime? Anong sinabi mo sa kanila?
Well, sometimes naman may mga game na ganoon talaga na we were really trying to execute offensively in the first half. But then yung shots namin was not falling in. So, napag-usapan na just stick with the game plan, kumbaga just work as a team, look for better shots. At the same time, on the other end, syempre, madami yung 3 points ng Adamson kanina in the first half. So, we had to remind each other na defensively we need to work for it.
Thank you to Terence. He had 13 points on 4 of 4 field goal shooting, 5 rebounds, 2 steals, and 1 assist. So, yun nga, ikaw yung isa sa mga susi sa third quarter run ninyo. So, ano masasabi mo na naitawid nyo yung panalo at double digits pa kahit lamang ang Adamson ng 22 points?
Actually, hindi lang naman ako yun eh. Siguro as a team, di lang kami tumigil. Siguro bonus lang sa side ko na sumushoot yung tira ko, pero siguro as a team pa rin yun. Kaya namin nakuha yung panalo.
Thank you, Terence. And to QMB, you had 11 points, 14 rebounds tonight. So what can you say about your team effort as you stay perfect?
After that first quarter, I thought that we did a great job responding. I thought that our first quarter we came out a little stagnant, flat, couldn't hit shots, wasn't getting the stops on defense from the game plan that we had planned for. But I thought that there was a great response by everyone to understand our shots are going to come and to just stay patient and ready for when the time came.
Thank you, QMB. Okay, the floor is open for questions.
Coach, this is really the first time na talagang tested yung team, at least this season, and it was really a tough test. Siguro, from your standpoint mentally, ano po yung nagustuhan niyo dun sa kung paano nag-stay composed and nakabalik yung team?
Well, sa team naman, usually we talk about how we respond sa mga challenges. And I believe for this game, we responded well. Siyempre, alam natin siyempre sa UAP, wala naman tayong team na dapat pabayaan. Alam natin na, all of the teams here are well coached. But sometimes, like I said, games like this would happen. Good thing, yung composure namin nandyan, and at least nag-respond kami mabuti.
Terence, para sa'yo, talagang ang taas kasi ng confidence mo every time you're taking that shot. Siguro, saan mo nakukuha yun? Kahit lamang yung Adamson or lamang kayo, parang same lang eh. Talagang pag binitawan mo yung shot mo, pareho lang yung confidence.
Siguro, nag-start sa bench pa lang, mina-mindset ko na yan. Siguro pag binigyan ako chance si coach na pumasok, wala nang kailangan make the most out of it, yung minutes na ibibigay sa akin. Siguro, yun, masaya ako na kahit pa paano nabigay ko yung part ko sa team, sa game ngayon.
Coach, congrats po sa panalo. Coach, sa tingin niyo po ba kaya kayo na down nung 22 nung first ay dahil nagkaroon po ba ng ng complacency sa team heading into this game?
I guess complacency kasi kami kasi even sa practices namin would always remind ourselves na to always give our best. Siguro like I said, nasa early part pa lang tayo ng tournament, there's nothing to be complacent about for me, diba? But then siyempre alam natin imperfect yung laro. Sometimes, yung intensity is lacking, but it doesn't mean naman na we're complacent. It's just that, we need to remind each other na every time to be able to give our best.
For Terence niya, last season medyo na hirapan ka with injuries. Now, kumbaga parang mas healthier ka. Just how excited ka lang din na kumbaga ngayon na start pa lang na season, inform ka na agad for the team?
Ano po ulit?
Yun nga. From last season na medyo nag-struggle ka with injuries, now na kumbaga healthy na rin. Kumbaga, how excited lang are you na makatulong ulit sa team?
Siguro, Masaya talaga kasi yun nga, alam naman natin kung ano nangyari last season. Pero sabi nga sa akin ni Coach Gold na tapos na yun. Wala nang, wala naman na mangyayari kung iisipin ko pa yun na injury ako. Siguro mas kontrolado ko yung sitwasyon ko ngayon. Siguro ibibigay ko lang lahat kung ano man yung mangyayari. Kaya yun.
Q 14 rebounds, 7 of which came as offensive rebounds. Can you just talk about your mindset, whenever you're trying to crash the boards for the team?
I mean, every offensive rebound you get is another possession for your team. And I think that every offensive rebound we can get as a team is so valuable, especially in a game like this where we couldn't get anything offensively early. Every offensive rebound gave us another chance to find some rhythm, keep moving the ball. So for me, just every offensive rebound I can get is gold.
For Terence, gano'n lang siguro yung gano'n kalaking hugot lang siguro sa'yo knowing na medyo malaki nga yung nilamang ng Adamson at the beginning of the game para manil mo yung mga mahalagang shots dun sa stretch sa third quarter?
Siguro, pinapractice ko rin naman kasi yung mga tira na yun eh. So siguro, kumpiyansa lang and siguro tiwala lang rin sa sarili ko. Siguro, yun, pag-usapan rin naman namin na keep on pounding lang kahit ganun yung lamang ng kalaban namin. Siguro, yun, masaya lang rin talaga na nakuha namin panalo ngayon.
And for Coach, siguro Coach, nagkaroon lang ba ng medyo doubt na parang eto na ba yung first loss namin after nung ginawa nga ng Adamson sa early part ng laro? And ano lang siguro yung nasabi yung huddle after nung first quarter na yun na parang na-boost yung confidence ng team?
Kasi pag nasa middle ka ng game, hindi naman namin isipin na baka matalo o baka manalo. We're just, always staying at the present. Whatever, we need to adjust on as a team. Each timeout or each end of quarter, we're gonna talk about it. And tulad na sabi natin kanina, whatever we talked about naman during sa mga huddles namin, we responded well, which at least maganda naman na nangyari sa game.
Coach, tingin niyo po ba so far yung team naman is doing a good job of, kumbaga, not letting yung undefeated start get in your minds too much?
I guess, we're not gonna put our minds doon sa undefeated na situation, no? But, rather we're just gonna tackle with ano sa harapan namin. For now, tapos na yung Adamson, we're just gonna work on anong review namin, what happened to this game, work on that. Then, next would be UST na. So, nandun na kami lagi, yung lagi mindset namin.
Coach, your second unit proved the difference, 51 bench points against the 18 of the starters. Siguro what can you say na lang po dun sa always ready mag-step up yung boys mo on the bench?
Actually, yun yung isang bagay na for me as a team, or like kami kasi ang team, ang tingin namin parang pamilya yan eh. So, syempre, mga kuya, let's say, my first group namin was not, doing well. At least, we have each other's back. Pag whoever comes in, we'll always try to execute to the best na, ano pwedeng gawin for the team.
Coach, you're facing UST next. So, UST vastly improved from last season. Your thoughts about playing against UST?
Right now, syempre UST. Sa totoo, hindi ko pa na masyadong bibigyan ng much thought. But knowing them now, syempre compared from last year, with a good program, definitely they're better now. And I think each position would be, they have materials to really compete. So sa amin siguro, paghahanda lang namin mabuti after, reviewing this game.
Same question. Terence Q, about UST, what can you say? Okay.
I mean, for me, I think that it's about us first. We got to fix what we messed up this game and just improve because, as I've said before, I think that we all know that we have so much to achieve on this team. We're so deep and we can play together so well. So I think that first we just have to view this game and improve on the mistakes we made here before we can even focus on moving to the next game.
Yun nga, same lang naman lahat ng process na ginagawa namin kung sino yung mga kalaban namin. Siguro, yun nga, mag-start muna kami sa game na to, view kami, and then pagandaan namin yung next game.